Russia's advanced Su-57 Felon fighter aircraft is still a rare sight on the Ukrainian battlefield. Production delays and Western sanctions have crippled its ability to mass-produce the planes despite Moscow's urgent need. Even the use of innovative augmented reality techniques has not solved this problem. Despite being touted as a stealth fighter, Western analysis remains skeptical. Its limited and cautious use in Ukraine shows how valuable this aircraft is and emphasizes how production problems have prevented the Su-57 from having a significant impact in the war. The Su-57 Felon is the most advanced fighter jet in the Russian military arsenal. Despite the urgent need caused by the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, the Russian Air Force can only field a handful of Su-57 fighter jets, most of which are prototypes put into operational service. Production problems coupled with Western sanctions are likely preventing Russia's aerospace industry from producing additional aircraft that could make a difference in the war in Ukraine. For years, aircraft production was plagued by problems and delays. The first production Su-57 Felon aircraft crashed soon after leaving the factory in 2019. The Kremlin unusually put the first dozen prototypes into service. This somewhat desperate move shows the urgency to demonstrate the capabilities of the fifth generation and join the big kids club with the United States and China. However, production problems and Western sanctions on military hardware and technology make it impossible for Russia to produce more Su-57 fighter jets despite innovative manufacturing processes in the near future. Perhaps the most impressive method is augmented reality. Russian technicians have used augmented reality to assemble the plane. Key parts of the plane carry QR codes that technicians scan. The technician then uses augmented reality to find out where they are going. Basically, the technician had IKEA assembly instructions in front of him. Similar technologies and processes are used in the automotive industry to facilitate faster car production. Extreme precision in the creation of an aircraft such as the Su-57 is essential, as the hard-to-observe attributes that contribute to whether an aircraft is stealthy or not become irrelevant. If, for example, a technician does not install the screws correctly, causing the fuselage to come loose slightly, this could impact the fighter jet's stealth characteristics. The Su-57 Felon is a twin-engine, single-seat fighter jet that can perform several different mission sets. Although the Russian military claims the aircraft has stealth capabilities, Western analysis does not necessarily corroborate these claims. Nevertheless, the Su-57 Felon brings important capabilities to the Russian Air Force. In terms of weapons, this fighter jet can carry a variety of ammunition, including R-73 heat-seeking air-to-air missiles and R-27 radar-homing air-to-air missiles, as well as cruise, hypersonic missiles, ammunition, glide bombs, rockets and conventional bombs. The Su-57 Felon also carries the powerful Grasov-Shipunov GSH 31 30mm cannon with 150 rounds for aerial combat or strafing. When not in use, the muzzle is hidden to maintain the fighter jet's aerodynamic performance and low observability attribute. According to Western intelligence agencies, the Russian Air Force has used its limited fleet of Su-57 Felon fighter jets in the conflict in Ukraine. However, the Kremlin is cautious about its most advanced fighter jets, using them in limited numbers and only for long-range strike missions with standoff munitions. So far, Moscow's technological pride has failed to live up to expectations and has not brought any change in the biggest conflict the Russian military has seen since the Great Patriotic War in the Second World War.